NASA's first asteroid sample return mission is going to start its journey home. We have been following the agency's OSIRIS-REx spacecraft since it launched back in 2016. Well, 5 years later, it is time for that mission to return to Earth, and with it, some very special cargo. It's going to bring samples from the asteroid Bennu, and joining us live with more on this very exciting endeavor is Flight Dynamics Manager Kenny Getzendanner. Hi, Kenny. How are you?
Good morning. Doing great. Exciting day for OSIRIS-REx and exciting day for NASA.
Absolutely. Okay, so today is the day that it is actually going to depart right from the asteroid. Tell us a little bit about what is expected to happen and how you guys will monitor it.
Yeah, sure. So it kicks off today at about 4 p.m. Eastern. The spacecraft will start a main engine burn. It's the first time we'll fire those main engines since we arrived at the asteroid 2 years ago. The burn will last about 7 minutes. It'll change the speed of the spacecraft by about 600 miles per hour. And that'll start our 2-year journey back to Earth. We'll do 2 laps around the sun, traveling about 1 billion miles. And then we'll rendezvous back with Earth on September 24th, 2023. And we'll jettison the sample return capsule. It'll go through the atmosphere and land safely at the Utah Test and Training Range on parachutes. So it all gets started today.
Kenny, how nerve-wracking is that firing of the engines going to be? I mean, it's been up there for a long time. I'm sure that's the part that you guys are probably most nervous about.
Yeah, I'd say exciting. Excited is the better term. We've been operating the spacecraft since 2016. We spent 2 years at the asteroid doing many maneuvers and many operations, and everything has gone really well so far. So we have no reason to believe that today's departure maneuver won't go off without a hitch. But if anything does go wrong, we have plenty of backup opportunities, and we'll be ready.
All right. You guys are good and prepared. I like that. So tell me a little bit about the data collection that's been going on. What are you expected to learn when OSIRIS-REx finally does return home?
Yeah, so we've been studying this asteroid for 2 years. It's quickly becoming one of the most characterized objects in all of the solar system, and we really needed to do that to learn how to operate near the asteroid and eventually go down to the surface back in October and collect a sample and do it accurately. So we've already gained a ton of information on Bennu itself, but it's not going to compare to when we get that sample down on the ground and we have experts and scientists analyzing that sample for decades to come and getting a wealth of information about Bennu, about our solar system, and possibly about life here on Earth and how it began.
Wow. All right. Well, a really exciting day. 4 o'clock is the time frame for that. I imagine people can go to NASA TV if they want to watch and see the reaction of everybody.
That's correct. NASA.gov/live coverage starts at 4 p.m. Eastern time today.
All right. Congrats to you, Kenny. I know it's an exciting day. Kenny Getzendanner of NASA, thank you so much for taking the time to explain everything and be with us.
Yeah, thank you, and go OSIRIS-REx.
Danielle.
Go OSIRIS-REx.